Alright guys, today we'll be talking about classes in JavaScript. Have you ever wondered how to write clean, reusable and scalable code in JavaScript? Classes are the secret weapon behind modern JavaScript development. Whether you are building websites, apps or games, understanding JavaScript classes is essential. By the end of this video, you will not only understand classes, but also how to use them effectively in your projects. Okay, so yes, guys, so we'll be talking about different things in classes, and we'll be covering what are classes in JavaScript, how to create and use a class, and also I would advise you to stick around because I'll share a pro tip at the end that can save you hours of debugging. Okay, so what we'll be talking about today is classes. So what is class in JavaScript? Class in JavaScript is a blueprint for creating objects. It allows you to define properties and methods that are objects created from the class we have. Okay, it allows you to define properties and methods that all objects created from the class we have. Okay, you can think of a class as a cookie cutter. The class defines the shape of the cookie, but the actual cookie are the objects you created using that cutter. Okay, so why we use classes? They make your code more organized and easier to maintain. They enable usability by letting you create multiple objects with the same structure and behavior. All right, so let's dive deep into it. Now is we'll be trying to show how you can do a simple example of initializing a class in JavaScript. Okay, so I'll be using so let us use the YouTube example. Okay, so I can create a class, and then I want to call the class YouTube, sorry, YouTube channel, right? Then I want to create the class, which is adding a curly bracket. Here I'll be adding my constructors and also my methods, right? Okay, so there I want to add my constructor. Okay, then the next thing we'll do here is what we want to use, the variables that we want to use in this class. Okay, so I can say which you can also call methods, right, that we'll be using in this class. Okay, so I can say, all right, so I'll be dealing with variables first. So I can say channel name. I want to get the channel name of the YouTube. Okay, then I want to also have the subscriber counts. Okay, last the view count. All right, so I just want to use something something that is applicable, something that you can reason with, right? So then next, what I want to do is I want to get those values into our methods. Okay, so I want to use a this keyword. Okay, so this dot channel name should be equal to channel name, just like that. And then sorry, this dot, this one should be subscriber count, subscriber count. All right, and then I want to say this dot view count. Okay, then view count, just like that. All right, so there we have defined our constructor. Okay, so next thing I want to do is I want to declare a method. Okay, I want to declare a method, and I want to call the method get. Okay, I want to call it get views. Okay, and then what I want to do now is I can declare that, and then I want to just console.log the view count when I get it. Okay, so that this is more understandable, let me use get view count. All right, so that's it. We have defined our constructor and we have also defined a method. Okay. Um. So next, what we'll do is we'll initialize this the instance of this class. Okay. So what we are going to do is initialize an instance of the class that we just created. Okay. So I can say let my channel to be equal to new. New is also a built-in keyword in JavaScript. Okay, so I want to say new, then I want to use the name of my class, which is YouTube channel. Then I want to add the name of my channel, which is add more tech media. Okay, so the next is subscriber count. We can use anything. Okay, we can say 300,000, and then view count we can say 1 billion or any amount. Okay, so here we have also initialized an instance of that YouTube class. Okay, and if we do this by say console.log my channel, right? All right, I think my cooker is not working. I will have to um, bring it back up. Okay, it should start on current folder. Sorry, I didn't check that before starting this video. All right, so let's wait for some time for it to come up. Yeah, here you are. So we have YouTube channel. Okay, YouTube channel. Then we have the channel add more tech media. We have the subscriber count and we have the view count. So that is getting it directly from our constructor. Okay, so I can also do something. I can say um say const my view count, okay, and I set that to equal to um, my channel dot get view count. Then I can, sorry for that, that's not my intention. Okay, so I can say console.log my view count. Okay, so we are getting undefined. That should be, yeah, we're not getting undefined, we're just doing a double console login, so sorry for that. So after we called, so we can just remove this, sorry, yeah, so we can just remove all of these and just call my channel dot get view count, and you can see that what we console log here, and we can actually do this, can just return, can just do a return um this dot view count, right? And then we can bring back this by saying const my view count, then set it to equal to this, then I can do a console.log. Alright, so I'm just trying to show you all of the possible ways that you can get this done. Okay, so I can do my view count, then we get the, I think this should be 1 billion. 1, 2, 3, okay, I think 1, 2, 3, it should be 100 billion. So we're talking about 100 billion view count. Okay, we can also do something. We can also do get subscriber count. Yeah, I actually do for all of them actually. Subs, subscriber count. Okay, and then and do return this dot subscriber count. Okay, and we can also do um the get yeah, we can also do get sub Okay, get channel name. I don't think we have to do that, but yeah, I'm just trying to show you everything I think you need to know about objects, right? So about classes, sorry. So that's it. With this, we can add information to our YouTube channel class, and with this we can get all of the functions that we need. Okay, we can get all of the things we need using the methods. Okay, so I can also do get the channel name. And let's just finish this. Get channel name. Okay, it's a method. Then we can return the channel name. This dot channel name. So I just remove this. All right, so what we can do here is we can just say const my subscriber count, set it to equal to my channel dot get subscriber count, and then we can come down here, we can duplicate this and just copy in, or we can just copy in my subscriber count. Okay, you can see we have the subscriber count of 300,000. Okay, so we can do for the last one. Okay, the last one const, sorry, I'm using catch, const my channel name, or my channel name, that should be equal to my channel dot get channel name. All right, and then you can just duplicate this, then I can copy this, paste it here, and then you see we have the channel name. So that is um, things I want to show you about um, how to use classes in JavaScript. Okay, so I want to provide a more in-depth breakdown of all of this so that you can get the logic, or you can get all of the things that I've been trying to show you. All right, so all of this, we are trying to have a class declaration. Okay, so this is a class declaration. We are declaring a class of YouTube channel. Okay, so we declare a new class named YouTube channel using the class keyword. Okay, so we use the class keyword to declare a new class of YouTube channel. Okay, and we have the constructor methods. Okay, we have methods inside of it, which are all of these, the constructor method. Okay, and then inside of the class we define a special method called constructor, right? And the constructor method is called when we create a new instance of that class. So when we create a new instance, which is what we did here, then it will call all of these constructor methods, right? And then it initialize the properties of the class. Okay, and in the class the constructor takes three parameters in the class. So the constructor has the three parameters of channel name, subscriber count, and view count. Okay, so that's it. And we try to initialize these properties by doing by using the this keyword to call all of the parameters inside of our constructor. Okay, and then we create an instance of the class. Okay, which is what we did here, like I said before. Okay, so after doing that, we create, so this is what will happen when you create an instance of a class. Okay, after creating it, we'll pass the required parameters, which are what we add as parameters instead of our constructor. Okay, we have the channel name, we have the subscriber count, and we will have the viewers count. Okay, so after that, so the result of the instance is stored. Okay, so it will be stored in the my channel that I used. Okay, so that is how um, classes works in JavaScript. So you can see that it makes our codes more cleaner, and it will also affect the program entirely to make it run faster and all of that. All right, so that's all. But before I go, I told you that I'll be talking about the pro tips about classes, right? So one of the things I'll be talking about is that you should always use class name with an uppercase letter. Okay, you can see that with the YouTube, I started with an uppercase Y. Okay, so anything you want to do, you should always start with an uppercase. Even if you want to do a class of, let me say you want to say a class of person, that person should be in uppercase. Alright, so that's just for an example. Alright, so I just decided to show you that. Okay, so and again, you should keep methods focused on a simple responsibility. Okay, so for that, I would like you to go and read more on solid principles, how to use solid principles to build scalable and maintainable apps in JavaScript. Okay, so today we've explored the power of JavaScript classes. What are they what and how to use them, right? And we've talked about the tips that can save you a whole lot of time debugging your code. Okay, if you enjoyed this, smash the like button, subscribe for more coding tutorials, and let me know in the comment section how you plan to use classes in your next project. See you in the next video, guys.